Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video, and this time we are going to unbox a Puma's flip-flop that we got today on the 21st of December 2025. So we have only a few days left for the year to end, and we thought why not celebrate by getting some goodies, some footwear for myself. I got this flip-flop. The name of the flip-flop is what is this? It is Puma Flymo Injex, and the color is covert green. The color derives, I guess, the color is from uh, the military green. So this does look like that, and it is a little different kind of green. I'm not usually seen this before. And the other thing is the quality of the product is really good. If you fold, it just comes back to its own normal way, own normal form, and this would be suitable for people who have straight feet, narrow feet. The ones who are having broad feet wouldn't find it that comfortable. And I have a kind of not narrow but a little broader feet. So the last finger, the last toe of mine sticks out. So the person who was selling this to me told me that it will eventually broaden a little as you keep using, so it will fit in the size. So this is the 9 size, and this is a nice quality product. I can just show you around from all the angles. You see this is all smooth. The problem with this is if some water falls on it and you wear it and move around, there are chances that you might slip. The water falls here, you wear the footwear and you run around, there are chances that you might slip because the surface is really smooth and slippery. But I wouldn't be using this that much, so I guess that would be okay for me. I go for the quality over all of these things. Another thing that I look at is this angle. This particular thing is not attached to the flat surface, because the experience that I've had with Puma footwear previously is flip flops mainly is that if this is there's a connection here, it comes off eventually as you keep using it. But I make sure that I don't go for that kind of products. I look at this getting attached to the flat surface. So it does feel good when you hold it. It's not too hard. The sole is also not too hard. There is imprint of the Puma logo here. There is also another imprint of the Puma logo here with the word Puma written on it. And I go for colors other than white because white normally gets dirty fast. This is also a very unique color. I've not seen this color with Puma footwear. So I went ahead and purchased this. This was retailing for 1,500 rupees. We got it at a 20% discount, about 1,200 rupees. So this was the unboxing of Puma's flip flop. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Till then, see you. Bye.